Miss Allen James wants to be safe from the apocalypse. I know you applying Harlem values can make that happen. 1. I want hot water and indoor plumbing to work on the new planet. 2. I want to be able to breathe without an encounter suit when I'm alone with my family. 3. In the book Artemis by Andy Weir, if the planet or moon has less gravity than Earth, those who need assistive technology to walk can do better because they weigh less. So I want different abled people to be able to travel with me. I don't want to leave people behind just because they have a wheelchair or pacemaker. 4. I'm not big on cooking, so if you can get a food processor like the ones in Star Trek that make food by pushing a button, that would be cool. 5. And if you can figure how my dog can come with us, my husband will be grateful. 6. If we can't all fit on the same planet, I want to be able to call my mom if she's not on my location.